Oats, a humble grain that has been a staple in many diets for centuries, are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, oats offer a wide range of health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. One of the most well-known benefits of oats is their high fiber content. Oats are rich in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By including oats in your diet, you can help improve your heart health and lower your risk of developing cardiovascular problems. In addition to their heart-healthy properties, oats are also a great source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and disease. By consuming oats regularly, you can boost your antioxidant intake and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. Oats are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones, muscles, and immune function. By incorporating oats into your diet, you can ensure that your body is getting the essential nutrients it needs to function properly. Furthermore, oats are a low glycemic index food, which means they are digested slowly and help stabilize blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight. By choosing oats as a breakfast option or snack, you can help prevent spikes in blood sugar and maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Oats are also a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from oatmeal and granola to cookies and bread. Whether you prefer them sweet or savory, oats can be incorporated into your meals in creative and delicious ways. By experimenting with different recipes and cooking methods, you can discover new ways to enjoy the many benefits of oats. In addition to their nutritional benefits, oats are also a sustainable and environmentally friendly crop. Oats require less water and fertilizer than other grains, making them a more eco-friendly choice for farmers and consumers alike. By supporting the production and consumption of oats, you can help reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable food system. Overall, oats are a nutritious and delicious food that offers a wide range of health benefits. From their heart-healthy properties to their antioxidant content, oats are a superfood that can support your overall well-being. By incorporating oats into your diet on a regular basis, you can enjoy the many benefits they have to offer and improve your health in the process. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and satisfying meal or snack, consider reaching for a bowl of oats and experience the many ways they can benefit your body and mind.